This video covers Freepik Premium versus Premium Plus. Choosing the right Freepik plan can transform how you access high-quality design resources without overspending. We'll briefly explore both options to help you decide which fits your needs best. Freepik Premium and Premium Plus both offer extensive graphic resources, but the core difference lies in access and usage rights. Premium Plus provides a broader selection and more flexible licensing compared to Premium, making it essential to understand these distinctions before subscribing. Freepik Premium is a subscription plan granting access to thousands of high-quality vectors, photos, and PSD files. It works by allowing users to download premium content without attribution, speeding up project workflows. Strengths include a vast library of popular design assets and regular updates, making it ideal for freelancers and small businesses needing reliable, ready-to-use graphics. However, Premium has some limitations. The licensing is more restrictive than Premium Plus, and the volume of downloads per day is capped, which may slow down larger projects. Also, some exclusive resources are only available on Premium Plus. Overall, Premium suits users who require quality assets with standard licensing and moderate usage, offering a balance between cost and resource availability. Freepik Premium Plus is the advanced subscription tier designed for professionals and agencies demanding extensive creative freedom. It offers access to the entire Freepik library, including exclusive content unavailable in Premium. How it works is straightforward. Subscribers gain unlimited downloads with no daily limits and flexible licensing that supports commercial use without attribution. The strengths of Premium Plus include a significantly larger asset pool, priority support, and enhanced usage rights, which are crucial for high-volume or commercial projects. Limitations are mainly cost-related, as Premium Plus comes at a higher price point, which might not be justified for casual users. It's ideal for agencies, designers, and enterprises needing unrestricted access to diverse resources and the ability to use them freely in client projects or commercial products. Premium Plus ensures maximum creative flexibility and efficiency for demanding workflows. Comparing Freepik Premium and Premium Plus reveals key trade-offs. Premium is cost-effective for freelancers or small teams with moderate design needs, providing quality assets and sufficient licensing for most personal and client projects. However, it limits daily downloads and excludes some exclusive content. Premium Plus, on the other hand, offers unlimited downloads, a more extensive library, and flexible commercial licensing, making it the better choice for agencies or businesses handling multiple clients or large-scale projects. The higher cost of Premium Plus is justified by its unrestricted usage and priority support. In real-world terms, if you need occasional design resources without heavy usage, Premium is suitable. But if your work demands constant access to diverse exclusive assets and commercial flexibility, Premium Plus is worth the investment. Freepik Premium is recommended for freelancers and small businesses seeking quality design assets with standard licensing and moderate download needs at an affordable price. For agencies and professionals requiring unlimited downloads, exclusive content, and flexible commercial rights, Freepik Premium Plus is the superior choice. It delivers extensive resources and freedom to create without limits, making it the best investment for demanding design workflows.